In this video I am going to show you how to do the printhead alignment of your Epson EcoTank ET-3830 printer. First step is to switch on the printer and press the home button. Now go to the display panel and scroll ahead, select maintenance, go down and select the option printhead alignment. If you see vertical lines or horizontal lines, you can select the option one by one. For example, I have a problem with the horizontal alignments, so press OK and click on the print. So any lines that appears horizontally will be fixed in this. If you have any vertical lines in your print, you can go for the first option. Now look at the print. Select a printout where you don't see overlapping or line. Clearly the number 7 is good in the result. Now go to the display panel. So I'm going to select number 7 and press OK to proceed. Click on the dismiss. This will fix any printing problem having the lines may be vertical or horizontal. Thanks for watching.